Hi, I'm Darla Boljot, and if you've watched any of my other videos, you've probably figured out I really like Annas Hummingbirds and other hummingbirds. This time of year, it's really close to Christmas, and it's getting colder, and I wanted to share with you how I keep my hummingbird feeders from freezing. So I thought about it, and I went and bought a few things and made a few prototypes, and I'll show you a few of them. So you've got plenty of options, but you're going to need, in this case, you're going to need the incandescent Christmas lights, and those I've heard from somebody that they may not be selling them anymore, but I found some at Walmart. So you want to get some. Get the smallest string that you can, so you don't have to make it smaller. Yeah, that works really well because there's plenty of warmth coming from it. So I have these little inexpensive hummingbird feeders, and I purchased from Amazon S-hooks. These are stainless steel, so they can go outside, and they're winter proof. They won't rust. I also, for one of the prototypes, I had to purchase this little grid from Amazon as well, which is a little plastic circle canvas. So, and that's how the S-hooks come. So anyhow, so what I have is, I have made this is just a regular Christmas light string, and I keep these ready for when it freezes, or when it's close to freezing. I'm gonna have to put the extension cord around the house, but I have the S-hooks, and they hook into here, and then they hook into the hook on here. So I will show you that in my next video.